Good morning students. Chapter number 5, Nervous System. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed the different parts of brain. Now student, in this lecture the next part of the nervous system, spinal cord. Student, the spinal cord is the main pathway for information, and it connects our brain to the different nerves in the body. It connects the brain to the nerves. You can see this also. There is a diagram also, student. This spinal cord connect our nerves to the connect our brain to the nerves, and it protected by the vertebral column. Information about our surrounding, student, is sent to the spinal cord, and from the spinal cord which send it to our brain. And student, this spinal cord also plays an important role in the controlling reflex actions. Reflex action means automatic action, involuntary action. We have discussed in previous lecture. Involuntary action cannot control by us, we cannot control. So all this involuntary action or automatic action is controlled by spinal cord. And what will happen when you touch a hot things by mistake? What will happen? You move away your hand instantly. What is this? What will happen? What is the reason behind this? So in this situation, student, a spinal cord takes a decision to move away. In this situation, before reaching this information, our brain, the spinal cord, takes the decision instantly. And in this way, you move your hand away from the hot things without waiting for the brain to pass a message. Okay, so I hope you understand this spinal cord. So this spinal cord plays a very important role in controlling involuntary action. Okay students, now student, we will discuss next is the nerves. So you can see, student, nerves. In this diagram you can see these are the nerves. So you can see, student, what is the structure of the nerves? Thread-like structure, student. And these nerves spread all over the body in a network. And nerves are made up of the nerve cell called neuron or nerve cell. So nerve cell are made up of nerve cell called neuron. And what is the function of these nerves? Yes student, they carry message to our brain. They carry message to our brain and instruction from the brain to the different parts of the body. First they carry information to the brain, and then brain instruction from and the brain to the different parts of the body. Yeah, there are the three types of the nerves in the body. What are these, student? Sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. How many nerves, student? Sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. So you can underline this point. First we will discuss, student, sensory nerves. Student, these sensory nerves carry message from the sense organs to our brain. When you touch a hot thing, you move your hand. So this nerves carry this message कि this things is hot, this message, carry this message from the skin of finger, from the sense organs to the brain, carry this information to the brain. Now next is a motor nerves. These nerves carry message from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles and the organ. If we talk about sensory nerves, when you touch, you can see this. When you touch a hot things, so there is a motor nerves also. This motor nerves carry message to the brain, and there is also this sensory nerves carry message to the brain, and there is also motor nerves again carry information to the sense organs or spinal cord. And there is also a mixed nerves also there. They do the work of both sensory also and motor nerves also. They carry message to the brain as well as bring back instruction from the brain to the different parts of the body. They do the work both. In mixed nerves, first nerve carry message to the brain, and second nerves bring back instruction from the brain to the different parts of the body. So sensory nerve carry message from the sense organ to the brain. Motor nerves, the nerves carry message from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles and the organs. And mixed nerve, they do the work of both sensory nerves and motor nerves, and they carry message to the brain as well as bring back instruction from the brain to the different parts of the body. So I think you have understand, student. In next lecture we will discuss reflex action. So there is a also a knowledge check also. So we will discuss now. There is a knowledge check, sensory nerves. So student, yes, this sensory nerves we have discussed now, na? So sensory nerves carries message to the brain. Cerebrum, yes student, what is the function of the cerebrum? Yes, and brain stem, cerebellum and motor nerves. And we have discussed now, na, motor nerves carry message from the brain. Okay student, and you know, if we talk about student memory, which part of the control our memory, student? Yes, recall our memory, cerebrum. Okay, and student, you know what is the function of the brain stem? Beating of heart. And cerebellum control balance and movement. So you can see, we can do again. What is the function of the sensory nerve? Carry message to our brain. Cerebrum, memory, brain stem, beating of heart, cerebellum, yes student, control balance and movement. Motor nerves carry message from our brain. Okay, so I hope you understand, student. So you can take this also, you can do this exercise in book, no need to write in notebook. So next lecture we will discuss reflex action. Okay students, take care, bye.